Now that you've watched the video for Dragons Love Tacos, let's talk about we are going to answer some questions about it. If you are working on level 1 questions, start here. If you're working on level 2, you can fast forward to the level 2 questions. If you're working on level 3, you can go straight to the level 3 questions and answer those when you're ready. Level 1 questions. Who loves tacos? Who loves tacos? Point to the picture and say the word. What's the answer? Dragons. Dragons love tacos. How do dragons feel about taco parties? Are they sad, mad, or excited? The answer is excited. What taco topping do dragons like? Lettuce, pepper, or bananas? The answer is lettuce. What taco topping do dragons like? Is it tomatoes, cherries, or salt? The answer is tomatoes. Where was the taco party? Was it at the house, at school, or the playground? The answer is house. What happened at the taco party? They set the house on fire, they sang a song, they fell asleep. They set the house on fire. Level 2 questions. Who loves tacos? Point to the answer. Is it dragons, the boy, or firefighters? How do dragons feel about taco parties? Are they sad, mad, or excited? What taco topping do dragons like? Lettuce, pepper, or banana? Next question, what taco topping do dragons like? Tomatoes, cherries, or salt? Where was the taco party? At the house, school, or the playground? What happened at the taco party? They set the house on fire, they sang a song, or they fell asleep? Level 3 questions. Why do dragons love tacos? They love the smell and crunch of the shell. Tacos give them the power to fly. They like the way they look. Next question, why do dragons hate spicy salsa? They don't like the way it tastes. They always spill it everywhere, or it gives them tummy troubles. Why do dragons love parties? They love the conversation with friends and the food. They love getting in fights. They love making a mess. Next question, why did the boy say the dragons couldn't eat the tacos? There was spicy salsa on them, they were stale, or the dragons needed to lose weight. Next question, why did the dragons have to rebuild the house? They were so heavy they fell through the floor. They wrecked the house while they were dancing. The dragons accidentally set it on fire after eating spicy salsa. Where should you put your spicy salsa if you have a dragon taco party? Next to the chips? Get rid of it, or on the tacos? Now we're ready to work on our describing skills. Tell me 3 things about this dragon. You could say it has wings. The dragon is red. The dragon has a pointy tail. The dragon has 4 legs. You could say the dragon is cute. You could say the dragon is an animal. The dragon has eyes. The dragon has toes. There are so many things we can say about this dragon. We also know that a dragon can fly and it can blow fire through its nose. Do you like dragons? Now tell me 3 things about a cookbook. You could say the shape is a rectangle. You could say a cookbook has pages. A cookbook has recipes. You could say my mom uses a cookbook when she cooks. You could say a cookbook has pictures of food. Next, tell me 3 things about lettuce. You could say lettuce is green. Lettuce is a vegetable. Lettuce grows in a garden. Lettuce has leaves. Lettuce is crunchy. I like to put lettuce in salads. Do you like to eat lettuce? Now tell me 3 things about a tomato. You could say a tomato is red. A tomato is round. A tomato looks a little bit like an apple. A tomato is a fruit like an apple. It has seeds inside. You could say ketchup is made from tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes? Now tell me 3 things about cheese. You could say cheese is made from milk. You could say I like to eat cheese. This cheese is yellow and orange in color. The shape is a triangle. You could say dragons like cheese on their tacos. Do you like to eat cheese? Now tell me 3 things about a taco. You could say tacos are crunchy. They have a shell. You put things inside a taco to eat them. What else can you say about a taco? Do you like to eat tacos? Next, tell me 3 things about flames. You could say flames are hot. Flames are on a fire. You could say flames are yellow and orange and red. You could say never touch flames. You could say if you see flames at your house, tell your mom and call the firefighters. Next, we're going to talk about categories. Find another food. Taco is a food. Can you find another one? You can point to the answer and say the word chips. A tomato is a taco topping. Find another topping. Point to the answer. Point to lettuce. Milk is a drink. Find another drink. Point to the answer. Did you point to water? Water is another drink. A police officer is an occupation or a job. Find another occupation. Point to the answer. Did you point to firefighter? Police officer and firefighter are both occupations. A playground is a place. Find another place. Point to the answer. Did you point to house? Yes, house and playground are both places. Can you think of another place? The sun is hot. Find another thing that is hot. Did you point to flames? Can you think of another thing that is hot? You read a newspaper. Find another thing you read. Did you point to cookbook? Can you think of another thing you read? Now we'll talk about categories in a different way. Tomato, lettuce, and cheese. These are they toppings, animals, or places? That's right, they're toppings for tacos. Taco, chips, hot dog. These are all things you read, creatures, or food. These are all food, things that you eat. House, school, playground. These are all places, toppings, or occupations. These are all places. Soda, milk, water. These are all animals, things that are hot, or drinks. These are all drinks. Firefighter, chef, cashier. These are all occupations, food, things you read. These are all occupations. Now let's talk about opposites. What is the opposite of good? Is it bad, hot, or boy? The opposite of good is bad. What is the opposite of excite? Tiny, top, or bore? The opposite of excite is bore. What is the opposite of hot? Is it warm, cold, or sound? The opposite of hot is cold. What is the opposite of little? Big, small, or taco? The opposite of little is big. What is the opposite of spicy? Is it pan, gigantic, or bland? The opposite of spicy is bland. Now let's learn about when we have more than one of a thing. If we have one dragon, but we add another, then we have two dragons. We have one cookbook. If we add one, then we have two cookbooks. Here we have two tomatoes. Now we have two tacos. We have two flames. Now we'll talk about things that we did in the past. Today I love. Yesterday I loved. Today I want. Yesterday I wanted. Today I wait. Yesterday I waited. Today I like. Yesterday I liked. Today I need. Yesterday I needed. Now these are tricky. Today I eat. Yesterday I ate. Today I know. Yesterday I knew. Today I make. Yesterday I made. Today I build. Yesterday I built. Today I feel. Yesterday I felt. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on Dragons Love Tacos. And so do I.